have very good news and it's really shocking, guys. So, in my YouTube channel, I reached 10K subscribers, guys! Yeah! I'm so happy talaga, guys. I'm really grateful that I reached this journey, guys. I'm really... Ay, ano ba yan yung camera? I'm really grateful that you guys helped me throughout my journey. Kasi guys, I'm really happy talaga. I'm feeling a lot of emotions na talaga, guys. Like, gusto ko nang I want to scream, guys, kasi grabe, naka 10K na tayo, guys. Can you believe it? Because of all your help, guys, I was able to reach my goal of 10K subscribers. I can't believe it talaga, guys. Salamat talaga, guys. I'm really grateful. Gusto ko nang yakapin yung mga viewers ko, guys. Thank you talaga. Road to 100K na tayo, guys. Oh my gosh. This is one step closer to getting my silver play button. Oh my gosh! I can't believe it talaga. Imagine! Like, it's really unbelievable talaga. I feel so happy na naka-reach ako ng goal ko. Kasi, imagine, ang dami kayo ng 10K subscribers. Madami na nga yung 5K, guys. Tapos, 10K? Wow! This year lang talaga, guys. Like, this year, I reached 2 goals. That's right, guys. Just in this year, naka-reach ako ng 2 goals, guys. 5K and right now, 10K. Wow, ang bilis talaga, guys, no? Wow, I'm so grateful for all of your support. To my viewers, my subscribers, and those who enjoy my content talaga, I'm really grateful naman talaga. So, thank you, guys. My words aren't enough to express how grateful I am for your support. And this is really helping me out kasi I'm just a student and I'm already earning money. That's really surprising. Like, imagine, pag 15 years old na ako, that, like, my goal? Talaga. So, yeah, I'm really grateful talaga, guys. Thank you. If it wasn't for you guys watching this video over here, I wouldn't have reached this goal talaga. Like, I wouldn't have reached this far. I wouldn't been monetized. Kaya, salamat talaga. This all started because nagka-viral yung yung labada videos ko, guys. And yeah, that's why I got a lot of views. So, thank you talaga sa mga nanonood dyan ng labada videos ko. Stay tuned! Kasi next time, magsasampay na ako, guys. Kasi may nag-request sa one of my comments. Sabi daw nila, hindi daw ako nagsasampay. So, okay, magsasampay ako, guys. I will do everything na. Step by step. Sa laundry, sa magbabanlaw, at magsasampay pa, guys. So, yeah. Stay tuned dun, guys. That will be in probably 2 weeks. Kasi, I think this week, kakalaba ko lang. So, yeah. If you haven't watched my recent video na naglalaba ako, I got a brand new washing machine. I got a brand new washing machine, guys. Pero maliit naman yon kasi tangkad lang ng mga stuffed toys sa bahay ko, guys. Okay, so I promise you guys, I will try my best to upload more entertaining videos for you guys. And let's see if we will reach my goal of getting my silver play button and 100,000 subscribers. Kaya natin to, guys. Baka maybe before I turn 15, I'll already get my goal. Sana naman. It's at Lord's hands. We will see kung what will happen, guys. So, I think that's about all for today. Again, I really want to express my gratitude to my fans, my viewers, and my subscribers. Thank you for all of my international fans, my local fans, my Filipino fans. I'm really grateful talaga. Like, I have a lot of happiness in me right now na I can't really express with words. So, thank you talaga, guys. I'm so thankful talaga. Imagine, bata pa lang ako, guys. Imagine kung 20 years old na ako, guys. Ilang subscribers na kaya yun? So yeah, that's all. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.